down here at Paradise Tours. That's a dolphin tour, marine wildlife tour here today. We're going to be going out shortly with our captain. His name is Chris and Danette. And I'll just show you right at the end of Anna Maria Pier. There's the oyster bar down here. And they got a small little shop here. Very tough to find parking down here, so you want to get down here early. If not, then you got to park down at Coquina Beach. I'll just show you here. Limited parking. There's the historic clock. So there's a free trolley if you park down at the beach. It'll bring you down here. Comes every 20 minutes. We're right down at the end of the pier here.
Live here in Sarasota Bay. It's one of 5 non-migratory groups of dolphins in the world. The other one is in the UK. 3 are in South America, and then we have our Sarasota dolphins. So we use very scientific research to find them. It's called going where they were last time and seeing if they're still there. And then we'll just, come out here, have a good time, look around. And then sometimes you'll see other tour boats. That's also very scientific. Hey, they're looking at something. Let's go see what they're looking at. So yes, and truly the water here is about 6 feet deep. You could actually walk to the airport from the seafood packing place. Just walk, knee-deep water, all the way to the airport.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, out here obviously in the channel it's going to be a little deeper, because it's been dredged, but yeah. And the Sarasota Dolphin Research Program's been in existence since 1970, and they have monitored and identified 5,600 individual dolphins that have lived here in Sarasota Bay.
Wow.
On and off, coming in and out. Yeah. So it's an amazing program.
There's something about dolphins that everybody loves.
Yes, yeah.
They're like sea puppies.
Exactly. Sea Labradors.
Sea Labradors, yeah.
Well, they always have smiles on their faces. So
Right. At least we think they do. Oh, and that's what I was going to say. Definitely be looking outside the boat. That's where the action's happening. If you see something, say something. Captain Chris and I'll look around, but we might miss it. They tend to move around. You tell them to stay there. It's like, hey, we're coming back. We need to stay here until we get back. But they don't always listen,
Yeah.
So you guys have been coming down for how many?
And they're not Miami dolphins.
No,
they're not.
Look, there's this bird. Oh, hi, Dolphin. Oh, hi, Dolphin babies. Come and say hi.
you're fine. Yeah, you're not in my way.
Duran, you got to turn your camera around. You're the wrong way.
And you have definitely take video.
Turn it around.
Because that's, you can tell. All right. Ooh, look at them. They're chasing. Where are they going? Wow, hello. They're really showing up for you all. Oh, right here. Oh, there's a two. around and have some fun. Yeah. Yeah, they're right at the propeller now. Yeah. Dolphins also. Baby dolphins. Right there into the front.
Yeah.
There goes two of them right there.
And they can swim about 25 miles an hour.
Hello, beautiful. They sound like voice-wise. So, like for instance, our little Stumpy here, if the Sarasota Dolphin Research Program wanted to find him, they could actually listen to what's happening in the bay. Look at him go. And have hello, beautiful. Hello. What are you doing down there showing up? Hello, beautiful. You guys look so great. You just look great. You're just doing such a good job. Living your best life there. Look at them. They just went under. They're going to come out that far.